Have you ever installed a Linux distribution that felt incredibly fast from the very first boot, only to discover later that the developers were constantly refining it behind the scenes? That's exactly what has made CachyOS one of the most talked-about Arch-based Linux distributions in recent years. Instead of simply packaging the latest software, the project has focused on squeezing every bit of performance from modern hardware while making Arch Linux easier and more enjoyable to use. Now, the June 2026 release has arrived, bringing another wave of improvements that target speed, usability, security, and overall polish. Rather than introducing just one massive feature, this release improves nearly every part of the operating system in meaningful ways. One of the biggest highlights is the introduction of the brand-new Hyprland Noctalia desktop option. Hyprland has become extremely popular among Linux enthusiasts because it combines the modern Wayland display server with a beautiful tiling window manager that offers fluid animations and efficient multitasking. However, configuring Hyprland from scratch can be challenging, especially for new users. CachyOS now offers a carefully customized Noctalia edition that delivers a polished desktop experience immediately after installation. Even better, the installer includes a preview so users can see the desktop before selecting it, making the installation process much more welcoming. This addition reflects an interesting direction for the project. Instead of assuming that every user already knows the differences between desktop environments, CachyOS helps users make informed decisions. Small features like desktop previews reduce uncertainty and make Linux feel far less intimidating for newcomers. At the same time, experienced users still benefit from a highly customizable environment that can be adjusted to fit virtually any workflow. It is another example of how the developers are balancing simplicity with flexibility. Performance has always been one of the defining goals of CachyOS, and this release continues a tradition with several important optimizations. One of the biggest changes comes from Python. The distribution now builds Python using Extended Profile Guided Optimization, commonly known as Extended PGO. This optimization allows Python to perform more efficiently by creating binaries that are better optimized for real-world workloads. Since Python powers thousands of Linux applications, automation tools, development environments, and AI software, users may notice faster execution across many different programs without making any manual changes. The developers have also introduced improvements to the GCC compiler. Modern processors constantly predict which instructions they will execute next, and when those predictions are incorrect, valuable performance is lost. The updated compiler optimizations improve how branch prediction is handled on both Intel and AMD processors, helping compiled applications make better use of modern CPU architectures. Although these improvements happen deep within the operating system, they contribute to a smoother and faster computing experience across many different applications. Users running demanding workloads will also appreciate fixes related to OpenBLAS, a mathematical library widely used for scientific computing, engineering software, machine learning, and numerical analysis. Previous regressions affecting systems with high core count processors have now been resolved, allowing powerful desktop CPUs to deliver the performance users expect. Whether someone is processing large data sets or training machine learning models, these optimizations help ensure hardware resources are fully utilized. Security has also received significant attention in this release. CachyOS has improved package management by making Pacman scriptlets and hooks safer through network isolation. During software installation, package scripts are now prevented from accessing network resources unless absolutely necessary. This follows the principle of least privilege, reducing unnecessary exposure during package installation and making the operating system more secure against unexpected behavior. It is a thoughtful improvement that strengthens system security without affecting the user experience. Networking has also become more advanced with support for DNS-over-QUIC. Traditional DNS requests can expose browsing activity or be intercepted more easily, but DNS-over-QUIC encrypts these requests while using the modern QUIC protocol for improved performance and reliability. This gives users greater privacy while potentially reducing latency on many Internet connections. The Welcome application even allows users to configure custom DNS endpoints, making advanced networking features accessible without complicated manual configuration. The CachyOS Welcome application itself has been expanded with several useful additions. A dedicated troubleshooting section now helps users solve common problems more quickly. Support has been added for the Ptixis terminal, while multiple translation updates make the application easier to use around the world. New language support has been introduced alongside improvements to existing translations, demonstrating the project's commitment to serving an international Linux community. The installer has also received numerous quality-of-life improvements. The development team has streamlined package management by recommending its own Shelly package manager instead of installing Peru by default. MangoWM now uses SDDM as its display manager, and Genome System Monitor has been replaced with the modern Resources application, offering a cleaner interface for monitoring system performance. Audio users also benefit from the inclusion of real-time privileges, helping achieve lower latency for music production and professional audio workloads. Hardware compatibility has improved significantly as well. The updated hardware detection system can now better manage computers containing multiple graphics cards that require different driver versions. Instead of forcing users to manually resolve complicated driver conflicts, CachyOS intelligently selects compatible drivers whenever possible. This greatly simplifies installation on gaming systems, workstations, and hybrid graphics laptops while reducing the chance of driver-related issues after installation. Virtual machine support has also been refined. Updated virtual machine identification improves compatibility across different virtualization platforms, while unnecessary fingerprint services have been removed to reduce resource usage. Additional Vulkan support inside virtual machines improves graphics compatibility, allowing Linux users to enjoy better acceleration even in virtualized environments. These improvements make CachyOS an attractive option not only for physical hardware but also for testing and development inside virtual machines. System responsiveness has been improved in subtle but meaningful ways. User services now have shorter startup and shutdown timeout values, reducing those frustrating moments when a computer appears to hang while shutting down. Instead of waiting unnecessarily for stalled background services, the operating system completes shutdowns much more quickly. Improvements like these may not appear exciting in release announcements, but they contribute significantly to a smoother daily experience. Numerous bug fixes further improve reliability throughout the operating system. Keyboard layout detection during installation has become more accurate, installer cleanup routines have been refined, package configuration has been improved, and unnecessary installation steps have been removed. The Welcome application has also become more robust by preventing crashes caused by missing optional packages, improving settings recovery, and making system tweak detection more reliable. Together, these fixes reduce the likelihood of encountering unexpected issues during installation or daily use. What makes this release particularly impressive is that it focuses on refinement rather than adding flashy features simply for marketing purposes. Every improvement serves a practical purpose, whether it involves faster software, stronger security, easier installation, improved networking, smarter hardware detection, or a more polished desktop experience. Instead of making dramatic changes that disrupt users, CachyOS continues steadily improving the operating system in ways that users will appreciate every single day. The June 2026 release also highlights the maturity of the CachyOS project. What began as an Arch-based distribution focused mainly on performance has evolved into a complete desktop operating system that balances speed, modern technology, security, and ease of use. New users benefit from an easier installation process and polished desktop environments, while advanced users continue receiving cutting-edge optimizations that maximize hardware performance. Overall, the CachyOS June 2026 release represents another strong step forward for one of the fastest-growing Linux distributions. From the beautiful new Hyprland Noctalia desktop and enhanced privacy through DNS-over-QUIC to compiler optimizations, safer package management, smarter hardware detection, virtual machine improvements, installer refinements, and countless bug fixes. This update strengthens nearly every aspect of the operating system. Whether you're a gamer, developer, content creator, power user, or someone simply looking for a fast and modern Linux distribution, the latest version of CachyOS proves that consistent refinement and attention to detail can create an exceptional desktop experience.